Hey everybody, GeoArm Security here, and today I'm going to show you how to program the 2GIG-DW20R-345 wireless recess door contact into the 2GIG GC3 wireless security and home automation system using an exit entry 1 setting. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is remove the DW20R from its packaging box. You're going to go ahead and remove the battery as well as the magnet, the instruction and installation guide, as well as the actual 2GIG recess contact. Go ahead and remove this from its clear packaging. Do the same with the actual magnet, like so. So now you're left with the magnet, which is very strong, and everything else that you see here. Go ahead and open up the instruction guide here, and it's a good idea to always just read through the instruction guide while you're doing it. Either way, maybe some of your questions will be answered there. Just as a note, for installation of this device, you'll be using an 11/16 drill bit for the door and the actual door frame. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and open up the top here on the recess contact, like that. You're going to pull the inside guts of this contact out, and you'll notice there's an area to insert the battery. You're going to take the negative end and then insert it onto the spring. It's a little tricky. You want to be careful. You don't want to damage the chip in any way. Make sure it fits on there, like so. Once you have that done, you're going to insert the battery end first, and you're going to locate these little guidelines here and slide it back into place, like so. Then go ahead and take the top, clip that back in there. Now your recess contact is prepared and we are ready for programming. To do that, go ahead and select the 2GIG logo in the top right. Enter in your default installer code, which is 1561. Select System Configuration, Wireless Zones, and I'll just pick an available zone. We'll use Zone 7. And then we're going to start from the top, sensor type. So go ahead and select sensor type. As we discussed, I'll be doing exit entry 1. This is going to give a delay. Anytime the magnet is separated from the contact, it'll give you by default 30 seconds to disarm the system. Go ahead and select the down arrow. Now we're going to select the equipment code. So this is the 0863 2GIG recess door contact. Make sure that is in the top box there. Go ahead and continue on. Now we're going to learn the serial number. This is very simple. Select Learn. Take your magnet, put it to the contact, remove it. Sensor received the serial number. Select Accept. Continuing on. It's a new device. Sensor loop 1, as most loops will be for the 2GIG equipment. Transmission delay. We'll go ahead and keep that on enabled just because it is a delayed zone. Voice descriptor. As always, I like to assign some sort of description. So I'll use back door. Select Done. So now it'll enunciate back door. Continue on. Sensor reports enabled. That means we want to have these signals transmit back to our central monitoring station. We want it to be supervised. That way the panel is always looking for this 2GIG recess contact. Sensor chime. We'll go ahead and assign a chime here. We'll go ahead and use chime 2 and return to system configuration after that. Confirm all the changes that you've made. Select Save.
System disarmed. Ready to arm.
Now, another cool tip about this 2GIG recess contact is that it does have an open air distance of 450 feet, meaning from the panel to the actual contact, but once you apply it into the door or window, it has a maximum range of about 100 feet. So keep that in mind before purchasing this or while mounting it. Now, to go ahead and test it, all we'll do is take the contact, line it up with the magnet,
Back door.
and you can see that it has enunciated, and if I put it back over, it'll clear the fault.
Back door.
And that's how you program the 2GIG-DW20R-345 recessed door contact into the 2GIG GC3 wireless security and home automation system. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and view our blog at DIYsecurityblog.com. If you need to reach us by phone, our number is 1-877-443-6276.